Hey, what's up, Chili Peppers? Saturday Night Live sessions, sunset sessions. A little shorty for the fans because those videos are like 20 minutes long. It's a good one. We got some fire signs, we got water signs, we got everything. And also, unfortunately, we got bad quality. And you can blame the hackers for that. I'm trying to call out YouTube video. This is for your fans. I mean, this is for the Peppers. Well, like they said, just be humble because if other people become envious and stuff like they're doing, then it's like, sorry, but I got your back until the end, it says. So it's like, this is going to happen, and every once in a while, mankind has been able to beat it, but I don't think we're going to beat it. Just like the last time with Jesus, we couldn't beat it. That's kind of why in history class they talk about the Dark Ages, but they don't really talk about really why, if that makes any sense. Anyways, so what I've been trying to say was like, if this thing comes to me and the Peppers, and it wants to show itself, it could easily just say, no, I don't want to dance. So someone's taking that away. Like, it wants to be. So check back later for the rest of the video. And by the way, while I have you on, this show is brought to you by how much money the gods just spent for the Peppers right now? The weather people, can you make it do this? Rip a hole through space and then make plasma just say what's up. You are super bright today. See the yellow? That's real. It's funny because I met them and they had all of those same characteristics. It's so weird. Like, they were something moon rising, but I doubt they think that when they said that meant that Leo was actually going to help rise the moon. Isn't that amazing? Or is it because I know her? I don't know her, but I know a Leo that is also something moon, right? All that stuff. It's like, what if it attached to people? They say your bodies has a frequency, like the fifth dimension. So you don't even have to know somebody. It just could be a stranger. There's another one out there, I'm sure, and we're all connected. Wow, did you see that underneath? That's a magnetically conductive gas, or something. I wish it was like going to, like, the lightning is going to make it into a solid on Earth. I can go pick it up, right? Think about that. What if the Egyptians, see, the thing is, a lot of this stuff ends with the Egyptians, and everybody's like, why are you talking about the Egyptians? It's like, well, honestly, they were pretty smart at keeping it alive. It's like, yeah, their pyramids, a lot of people say, well, so what? They just kept them dumb building that thing. Well, whenever I said the Great Crusades, like, all the artwork is broken. That's why you see, like, broken stuff, and it's like, oh, y'all messed up something that was important just because of something. Because it was trying to talk about all of this, is what I'm saying. Like, all of this stuff was taken off. Actually, they called it like the Book of the Dead. So it's like, okay, well, this is absolutely what it's saying. So if what's happening, if I search what's happening in the search and it brings up that, we're in a whole new